Here I have MEIZU Pro 7 and let me show you top tricks for the following device. So at the very beginning, let me of course show you the secondary camera. At the back of the device you've got the secondary camera and you can activate this camera right here. You can check out the clock, you can see here the weather, see the steps. You can also enable the camera if you swipe up. So this is the secondary display, very useful trick, very useful feature. You may also set up this feature by using settings right here and under device that choose secondary display, and for example here you can use double tap to wake, you can enable the camera, notification and other stuff. You can also customize the following features that you can use on the display. So let's go next. Let me show you the second trick, the security app. Very useful and very powerful tool. Let's open the security app. Here you can use the cleaner, for example, and you can clean the junk files the device is scanning. So here you've got the list of files that you can clean. You can optimize device right here. And let's tap done. You can also use the antivirus if you would like to. The device is scanning, as you can see in my case it's no risk. So this is really powerful tool, security. Let me go back, let's go for the third trick. So let's open the easy mode. So you have to choose settings. Under device let's choose easy mode and you can enable the easy mode and you can use the minimalistic style by using this enable key. As you can see, this is the simple mode of your device. You can use the large icons right here. If you would like to quit this mode, let's find and select the settings and simply choose easy mode again right here and select exit. Tap exit again and that's it. Right now you can use the normal mode of your device. So let's go next and let me show you the really powerful toolbox. So let's open the tools right here and as you can see, let's choose toolbox. Here for example you can use of course the flashlight. This is the standard feature. You can use the SOS if you would like to. You can use the mirror, the magnifier, the ruler right here. You can also use the compass. You can check out the decibels level and everything in that toolbox. Alright, and let's go for the last trick, the migration tool right here. So let's open the tool folder again and choose migration tool. Really powerful thing, you can easily move from this phone or move to this phone. All you need to do is install the migration tool on the other phone. Here you can use the for example the following QR code to scan and to download the app to other device and just transfer your files. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.